So what you're going to do is you're going to hit this button that you have right here on the side, and this is going to release. Press and hold down, it's going to release the emergency key. Now once you get the emergency key out, what we're going to do is pop this back panel off, and to do that we're going to put the emergency key back in, just the very end of it. We're going to put it back in here, and we can kind of pry up a little bit. You notice how the panel kind of came up, the back panel? There's a little access hole in it. Okay, so take it up like that and you can see it. Now you can see it really good. All I was doing is this, and you can take this cover right off without damaging any of the sides. You want to keep this key in good shape. This is how you're going to do it. So now this part, you will need a flathead screwdriver, something really small. There's a little bitty groove right here that allows you to pull out this battery. Okay, just like this. You can take it right out. Now the battery size is a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing out towards us. Stick it in the bottom here like this first, and we lock it in like that. And the cover just clicks right back on. Okay, and the emergency key goes right back in. And you're all done. Okay. Get it back in.